Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today you will be learning two basic words, name and yesterday. The word name we used it yesterday when we asked questions, so it's good that you will know also what is name in Visayan and Tagalog. And I added the word yesterday. That way you will learn that as well because we'll be using it tomorrow. All right, we'll start. Okay, let's start with learning basic words. Name and yesterday. Name in Visayan is ngalan. In Tagalog, it's pangalan. Again, it's ngalan and pangalan. And yesterday and Visayan is gahapon. And in Tagalog, it's kahapon. Again, it's gahapon and kahapon. Alright, this is all for today. See you tomorrow. Hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.